I'll give you three easy questions for your Databricks Machine Learning Associate exam, and all of them belong to the category of data, feature engineering. So, one would be what is data standardization, two, what is target encoding, and third would be what is one hot encoding and what are the drawbacks or challenges of one hot encoding. Now, these are three questions which I have given you, but the moment you start reading up on them, you will soon discover more easy questions surrounding the data part of your Databricks Machine Learning Associate exam. And those are things which you can never afford to miss. Because let's say you get a question, what's the drawback of one hot encoding? And if you don't remember specifically, you will lose an easy mark. So go on the internet, go to YouTube, go to the official Databricks site, try to understand various database questions which are very easy. Things like data standardization, one hot encoding, drawbacks of it, and target encoding, as I talked about in this video.